What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. So I just went to the thrift store. I went to look for a tree and I actually found one. This is a small tree, and the best part was the price because I didn't spend much on it. I actually paid $4.99 for this tree, and I think it was originally priced at $25. Now it's a used tree, it's kind of dusty, but I don't care because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to be cheap when it comes to decorating your tree. So first thing you gotta do when it comes to decorating a tree is to get the cheapest tree that you can find. Like I said, I went to the thrift store. I did not go to Walmart. I did not go to Home Depot. I didn't purchase a brand new tree. You don't really need a new tree or a real tree to celebrate Christmas, guys. You can do it the economical way or the cheap way, as I would call it. Just go to the thrift store and pick out the cheapest tree that you can find. I went over there and I got me this tree, and it'll do for now. I'm also gonna show you some really cheap ways to decorate your tree without spending any money pretty much. We're gonna be using stuff that you guys probably already have, because there's no point in going to Walmart or the dollar store and spending money on ornaments when you guys can either make your own or use stuff that you already own, as I said. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna take out my tree. Alright, let's take it out. And guys, this is a 4-foot tree, by the way. It's not a really big one. So there's two pieces to this, as you guys can see right here. 1, 2. Oh no! It only came with 2 legs. It should be for 3 legs. Oh no! We're gonna have to improvise on this one, but that's okay. We'll still be able to put it up. Alright, let's assemble the tree first. And since there's 2 pieces here, I believe this is the bottom. Yeah. And this is the top. Oh man, I'm really bummed out about this. No wonder it was $4.99. Alright, we slide the legs in. So if I was to stand it up, it'll fall because it needs a leg. Okay, let's see, what can I do? Alright, I was able to get a screwdriver, and how can I use a screwdriver? Let's see. Could this work as a leg? I don't know, I'm gonna go for it, guys. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to replace the leg that's missing. Wow, this tree made me struggle, but I was able to put the screwdriver underneath the stand and I held it together with some zip ties. So now this is not going anywhere. It's pretty sturdy, so that's good for now. Too bad it didn't have the other leg because this could have been a whole lot easier. But that's fine, guys. As long as it's economical, we can work with it. So right now our tree is all set. It's ready to be decorated. And I'm gonna show you some really creative ways to decorate this tree without spending a lot of money. So first things first, we're gonna create a skirt for it. And you don't need much for that either. You probably already have these items. And for the skirt, I'm just gonna get plain old white shirts. It'll act as snow pretty much. And I chose white because it looks like snow, and that's what I want my tree to have underneath. A little bit of snow. So here I have 2 shirts. One of them I'm gonna lay flat on the table. So let me scoot this a little. Like so, guys. I'm gonna take my tree and put it on top. Just like that. And yeah, I know the screwdriver doesn't look appealing. That's why we're gonna take another white shirt and wrap it around the stand so you can't see the screwdriver or any of the stand's legs. Alright, so that works. Now we have our little tree skirt, which happens to look like snow. Now let's begin decorating our tree. If you check at home, you might have a spare roll of toilet paper like this one. This one's pretty much all gone, but it'll still work for what we're trying to do. We're trying to decorate our tree. So we're gonna take some toilet paper and wrap it around our tree just like I'm about to show you. It's a great way to avoid buying ornaments even at the dollar store. You wanna save a buck or two, this is the way to do it. Alright, so here we're gonna start unrolling our toilet paper. We're gonna pick a good spot on the back and we're gonna tie it on there just on one little branch, and then gently we're gonna wrap it around the tree. Now once we reach the top, we're not gonna cut it off there. We're actually gonna insert the roll of toilet paper on top of the tree, so it's sort of gonna be like a tree topper, and we're just gonna leave it there. Here I have some paper clips and some balloons. Well, you can pretty much get about 30 balloons for 50 cents, so you won't have to spend much on this one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blow up the balloon We're gonna tie it just like this. Now we're gonna take some paper clips, attach one on, and now you can easily hang a balloon on your tree. Do this to a few balloons and you have yourself some really good ornaments. No one will be able to tell a difference. Alright, let's put these on the tree. If you guys go to the dollar store or even Walmart, you guys can get a box of crayons for about 50 cents. And crayons are colorful, of course. And what do we want? We want to add color to our Christmas tree. So these are perfect for that. For example, here I'm going to take one crayon out, which happens to be purple. I'm also going to get a paper clip, which are also colorful. And I'm going to get a yellow one for this example. I'm going to undo the paper clip so it looks like an S, just like this. One end I'm gonna tape on to the end of the crayon, just like this. So clear tape always works for this. And look at that, guys. Wrap it around. And now you have attached the paper clip to the crayon, and you can easily hang this on your tree. And not only just this one, but also get more crayons and put them all around your tree. Just hang them up. See? Look at all these. Okay, let's hang these up. Now guys, what I have right here is some extra wrapping paper. You guys can either save it from previous years, or maybe you made a mistake wrapping your gifts this year and you have a bunch of extra wrapping paper. Well, instead of throwing it away, guys, you just ball it up. For example, right here. Because we're gonna create our own little ornaments with wrapping paper. So the more colorful it is, the better. See, I got one ball right here, and I'm gonna use tape so it keeps its form. Of course, again, clear tape is best for this. See? Then we're gonna take a paper clip, and again we're gonna undo it into an S shape. One end we're gonna attach to the ball like this, and the other end, of course, we're gonna hook onto the tree so it hangs from it. Simple stuff, guys. Look at that. And I'm gonna create a few of these and hang them up on my tree. Alright, so I was able to make about 5 of these. And I only made a little bit because we do have a lot of other decorations going up on our tree. So this will do for now. And basically these are our little holiday balls, guys. We can hang them up on the tree. And from far away they look like normal ornaments that you probably bought at the dollar store. So let's put these up on the tree right now. This is exactly how you recycle used wrapping paper. What you guys can also do is get yourself some aluminum foil, cheap aluminum foil from the dollar store, and make your own ornaments. For example, just get about a foot long, like this, guys, and just ball it up. Don't compress it too much, depending on the size that you want, of course. You guys can make this smaller or bigger, but this will do. And I'll be doing the same thing I've been doing with the paper clips, guys. S shape. I'm gonna bend one end so I'm able to tape it on, and that's it. I'll make a bunch of these, guys, and hang them up on the tree. It's very simple stuff and anybody can do this. And look, you guys can either buy your own at the dollar store and you only get about 5 of them, or you can make your own and make about 25 of them if you buy a roll of aluminum foil just like I did. Now I'm gonna put these on my tree. Alright, let's do these now. Now I know it sounds crazy, guys, but you guys can actually pick through your trash and try to find something that looks like an ornament, or something that you can easily turn into an ornament. For example, some soda cans. These are 2 empty soda cans that I can easily hang on my tree, especially since they do have tabs. Basically, you hook these onto your tree and that's it. Now as far as these empty bags of chips, here's what we're gonna do, guys. Get yourself some paper that you don't need anymore. Ball it up. Put it inside a bag. Center it though. Just like this. Once it's centered, you're gonna twist the ends like a piece of candy. That's pretty much it, guys. Wrap some tape around it so it stays put. You make more of these with the other bags of chips that you have, and you have yourself a little ornament that you guys can hang on your tree. And of course, we'll be resorting to our paper clips to help us out with that. Just attach one on. Simple stuff, right? Alright, and here they are, guys. I got the Lay's, the Funyuns, Hot Cheetos, Cheese Puffs, and some Doritos. They make for really good ornaments, guys, and I've already attached the paper clips on there so they're ready to be hung up. I'm not too crazy about these cans, so I'm only gonna use 2 of them. A Sprite and a Coke. So there's the Sprite, and I'm gonna put the Coke down here. Okay, that'll do. Now it's time for the chip bags. Alright, here goes. There's my tree. Pretty ghetto, as some people would call it. But I don't care, guys. It's not really about how much you spend on the holidays. It's all about having fun and spending time with your family. So right here I saved about $100, I would say, because the tree I got for $5, and the rest is basically recyclable stuff. Balloons that were 50 cents, crayons that were 50 cents. Other than that, guys, I didn't spend much on this tree. It even came broken, but I was able to fix it. I apologize for not fluffing it though, because it does look pretty messed up. But I just wanted to show you guys how you guys can easily decorate a tree without having to spend a lot of money on it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you gave it a big thumbs up and that you are subscribed to this channel. I have lots more Christmas videos coming up, so I hope you guys stay tuned. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hey there, pranksters. If you can't wait to find out what you're gonna be getting for Christmas this year, well, check out this video. In this video, I will be showing you guys 5 clever ways to sneak a peek at your Christmas presents without getting caught. Link is in the description, or click on the right square on the screen.